Be ready? Start. The petitioners have filed these writ petitions to quash the impugned show cause notices without appearing for the personal appearance and without submitting their explanation stop stanza. The main plank of the contentions of the petitioners is that the first respondent government is not the competent authority to issue the impugned show cause notices stop. According to the petitioners, the district collector is the competent authority to adjudicate the issue as to whether the petitioners failed to undertake mining operations for a period of 2 years after the execution of lease deed and thereby the lease shall lapse stop. Thereafter, if the decision of the district collector is an adverse one, the petitioners have an appellate remedy before the appellate authority stop. Hence, the first respondent is not the appropriate and competent authority to issue impugned show cause notices, making the allegations contained therein stop stanza. The petitioners also stated that while the show cause notices relied on the reports of the inspection trams that inspected the quarry sites, the same were not furnished stop. The impugned show cause notices also referred to the reports of the district collector that is based on the reports of the inspection team's staff. The reports of the district collector were also not furnished to them staff. Moreover, the impugned show cause notices also refer to the letters of the Commissioner of Geology and Mining, and the same were also not furnished staff. Hence, according to the petitioners, the impugned show cause notices have to be interfered with stop stanza. The petitioners also stated that the inspection teams made surprise inspections without putting them on notice and the petitioners were not present at the time of inspection and the show cause notices based on such inspection reports are bad and illegal stop stanza. The petitioners also pleaded that the impugned show cause notices predetermined the issue that the petitioners violated section 4A within bracket 4 of the act and the show cause notices are mere empty formality stop stanza. When these writ petitions were posted for admission in the motion list, this court heard the learned senior counsel for the petitioners as well as the learned special government pleader for the respondents and reserved orders stop stanza. The learned senior counsel for the petitioners made the following submissions stanza. The first respondent has no jurisdiction to issue impugned show cause notices under section 4A within bracket 4 of the stop over.